Hello, I'm Sebastian. I'm currently a rising junior at Gunn High School, and for my starter project, I chose the MintyBoost kit. What the MintyBoost kit is essentially a mini phone charger that runs off of AA batteries, and as you can see, when you plug into the phone, it charges. So the way this works is the normal energy output for two AA batteries, is 3 volts together, 1.5 from each. But to adequately charge the phone, you need 5 volts. So the way it goes from 3 volts to 5 volts is by using a boost converter. And the boost converter itself, what it is, it's essentially a small computer that tells a series of 2 capacitors, a power inductor, and a diode what to do. And the way this works is the energy is taken from the power source originally, from the 2 batteries. It goes through the power inductor. But what the power inductor would want to do usually is discharge the energy back in the opposite direction. And so what the diode does is it forces it through a one-way channel going the same direction that it was going before. And so then the energy is stored into the 2 capacitors. And this is essentially a cycle that repeats itself until the boost converter tells it to stop and it reaches 5 volts. So the obstacles I faced throughout this project, I had to troubleshoot a lot at the end because when I had finished this project, I set it down, and when I came back the next day, it stopped working for some reason. And so when that happened, I had to really learn about each component individually and how they work together to have the ultimate goal of charging the phone, to be able to identify what the problem was. And so eventually, I did identify that it was kind of a faulty connection. So after soldering and resoldering and fixing the circuit board itself, I got it to work again. And I'm very happy with the end product. And